Growth, expansion, knowledge, education. If you don't give up and you want it, just like anything else, if you want it bad enough, you're going to make it happen. I'm here to speak about Multiplex Ads by Google AdSense. Now, I never added that type of ad to my work because I felt my work wasn't ready to include that kind of ad format to my work. And it's because over the years, Outbrain, I learned about this kind of advertising. It's, for this example, on the bottom, underneath your content, before the comment section, for my setup, my WordPress setup, I'm showing a multiplex ad now. But until before this, I was using website builders, and Google AdSense didn't even have this option. And they joined in on that game because of sites like Taboola and Outbrain, which both turned me down 5 to 7 years ago. And it's going on. It is 4 years that, yes, it is. It's 4 years that I've been using WordPress and developing my skills and, watching everything roll out. And I've become more confident and more of an expert using WordPress. I'm a WordPress website developer. That's exactly what I am. So, if you watch me and you follow this channel, you know that I'm trying to figure out what's the best format. I have an ad on top. I have an ad on the side, one little square. I think it's a 250 or 350 by 350. I have one sticky ad that pops up when people review my posts only. And all of that helps increase the odds of generating income from ads. Now, some people take a lot of pride and go, well, I don't use any ads and I don't show any ads on my YouTube. I'm about ads. I happen to appreciate ads. Here's one example. When I get a home, I already know that I want to have Sealed come in and analyze my home because I want their heating and cooling system, and I want their service of filling in all the gaps in an older home, even a newer home too, that it helps, prevent the air from the outside getting in. Well, I wouldn't have learned about that unless I listened to ads. I happen to appreciate ads at least 75% of the time. Let's get to it. Here we go, multiplex ads. I'm going to tap it. This is what a multiplex ad looks like. And if you have any experience with publisher programs with these kind of ads on the bottom, I believe Outbrain was one of the first companies to introduce this type of ad format to publishers to show an ad like this. And of course, they have vertical. It's your choice. I'm sticking with the horizontal. Now, you can visit myincomejob.com. Before I show you, when I first added it earlier today, because I was doing some research and I continued to go back to things that I put on the back burner for a while until I produced better quality work and, get better at what I do. I said, let me check that out again. And today it worked. And you have to give it, you really should give it at least 72 hours or really a full week, because AdSense needs to tell advertisers, we have a new website developer that shows ads on their website real estate space. Would you like to show your ad on their work? That's how it works. And earlier today, there was only one ad. But when I scroll down, for some reason, this one works right now. The Bing URL submission tool, when I click on it, at the bottom of that, you see that? That's the top. I already had it opened. I didn't want to lose it. And on the bottom, you see the multiplex ad right here. Or multiflex, I think it's called. Multiflex. Let me see here. Oh no, multiplex. You see that? And I'm so proud that I have those kind of ads underneath all my content. Because, you know, in the future I will add content to this content. I will edit. I will make it better. To have this on blog posts, that's key. It won't show on categories or tags. Blog posts. I feel like a winner because I had this vision years ago, but I wasn't good enough yet to get approved to show those kind of ads on my websites. Now, Google AdSense, this is pretty new. This is only a couple of years old. Outbrain and Taboola, Taboola, if they're still around, they're the ones that came up with this concept of showing ads like this, multiplex. I'm not sure if they call it the same way. See how they have a lot of different ads in one box? You probably don't earn as much from compared to an ad that is a floating ad like this. Somebody clicks, it really caught their attention. One ad on the side, one ad on the bottom, on the top. You see that. However, it increases the odds of me generating income from a company's advertisement, getting in front of a potential customer, client, buyer. I'm in the game to produce the best quality content that I can so I can show more company ads on my website's real estate space. That's what this comes down to. And now I'm here and I'm showing you, giving you an example right in front of you that I made it. And I'm so grateful. I'm really happy AdSense, they continue to evolve just like YouTube. How many more ways can we give creators the opportunity to show ads throughout their work or before their work or after their work or membership? And you get it. How many ways can we give them to choose from that they can generate income? Because the more income we generate, the more income Google AdSense generates. So I'm really happy. I'm so proud. I wanted to share this. This is a multiplex ad at the bottom of each of my blog posts. That's where they show up on. And I'll take it. I'm so grateful. It didn't show up on the homepage on the bottom, but it did show up on the individual posts that I list on the homepage. And it don't show on category URLs, and it don't show on tag URLs. Only on blog posts. And I should have checked it. I wonder if they show on static pages. I'm not sure yet. I'll be back to show that off. Have a good one. Never give up. It continues to get better. If you never give up and you believe in your foresight, your vision, go for it. It will happen eventually. I'll see you soon. Have a good one. Bye for now.